two more things about chromatography that we need to talk about. One thing is that we said that RF has to be less than 1. And why is that? Well, RF, we measured the component, which was our spot, divided by the solvent, our eluting solution, our mobile phase. So component over mobile phase. And so when we do that, it basically says when we measure the spot, that's about as high up as the spot can go. It's always going to be a smaller distance than to the solvent. The only way that that could be greater than 1 is if you somehow magically had a spot up here over the solvent, and that won't happen. So that's why RF has to be less than 1. And I wanted to also clarify these two things, that when you're interpreting your chromatogram, the dye is the mixture, and it may have just one compound in it, or it may have several. And each of those colored compounds we call a pigment. And so on our chromatogram, each spot represents one compound, which is, each one is a pigment of the original dye. So the pink dye had 2 pigments in it.